All right, I want to do this quick video training on how to use our e-sign through EZ Lynx, and I'm going to show you a couple things here. So this is a recent client and an advisor we just wrote. So, and Jennifer, you'll be watching this, so you'll get to see this. And we just helped with the auto insurance, and I need to get the documents for her to electronically sign. So we log into EZ Lynx. We have already pulled the applications from Travelers. I'm not going to show that right now, but that's basically going to the Traveler system and pulling the application. So we've got the application right here, the full auto application. Okay. And then once we're in EZ Lynx, we're going to go over to this tab called Documents. Okay, and again, think of EZ Lynx as like a, it's our management system, it's our rater, and it's also like almost like a, some of these systems today, almost like an online filing cabinet, right? Is kind of a cool way to think about it. So here's other things that have already been saved in here. So I want to add into here this document. So I'm just going to click Add, Upload. Okay, it's going to say, okay, find it from your computer, drag and drop. Okay. So I will pull up where I saved it from on my computer, okay? And then it's going to pull here. If I wanted to rename it, I could. If I want to associate it with a policy, I can. You see the policy is already downloaded, so I will put that policy number was a Traveler's policy. Then I'm going to click Upload, okay? So now the file is uploaded. And from here, we're going to create an e-sign. So again, anything in part of our value proposition that we have with our clients is anything that they've got, we can electronically signature. Okay, so we're going to click e-sign. And I know I'm doing training, so I'm talking more. Right now, we're just at 2 minutes. See if we can do this probably in less than 5 minutes, show you guys how easy this is. And we're going to click the actual file. We're going to click Next. The envelope name, I'm just going to put what it is. I normally, so I just put like Markin, Auto Insurance, Application, Travelers, and then maybe the policy date that we bound it. Okay. Always take off the no password required. I normally change this. It says how long will it expire. I normally change it to like 10 days. Okay. So this basically says, hey, she's going to get a reminder in 5 days if she hasn't signed it, and then in 10 days it would totally expire. Okay. If we needed multiple documents, we could have uploaded multiple documents here. If there was anything else we needed to do, we could certainly do that as well. So we'll click Next. Okay. And then I'm going to put Jennifer's name here. Okay. You can add me as a recipient if there's anything that I need to sign, which there's a spot for me to sign. I'll just put Jennifer. Please review and e-sign the auto insurance application. Any questions, let me know. Okay. Unfortunately, we don't have a way to do preset templates for these. So at this point, I normally just try and keep it super short and sweet. You can also see here we have about 250 characters, almost like a Twitter. So that's again the idea that you're kind of making it short. Then we'll click Next. And then here's where we're going to have the spots for the client to sign and the spot for the producer to sign. So here are all the questions from their auto insurance. If we look here, you're going to see applicant signature. I always typically recommend the typed, just makes it a little easier as opposed to somebody having to scribble it out. Okay, and then I can switch to me, and I'll put for me here, producer. Okay, and then I can put here and do text to put my name in there, and then date here. And then I can also put text for my producer number here. Okay, and then the client would sign this. Most of the rest of the client's going to sign. So put that. I'm going to put date. Again, I can't stress enough, this is something that the service team can certainly do for you so long as they have enough time. And the good thing also, I will say, with auto insurance is you can get it bound and then have it go off to the service team to have it signed, have this information sent out for you. Okay, I'm going to put my name here for agent. Okay, and then this is the uninsured motorist form. So we'll go back to this signature. Go date. Should be almost at the last page here, and then this was just the EFT form. I've already gotten all that information originally. Okay. And now we're done. Okay, so our last thing, and then it's going to go review and sign. Okay, and then here it's kind of just the last spot for you to review, and you'll actually see on here, like when we scroll down, and there was really nothing to sign on those first 3 pages. But here it's going to show where everything's kind of laid out, right? So here's where I'm signing, here's where the client's signing, here's my text, my date, text, etc. Where the client's signing and dating, client signing and dating, client signing and dating, client signing and dating. And then when I'm done, I click send, and now that's going to electronically send it. You get an email or a sign here in a minute saying it's gone through. So e-sign has been sent, so we click OK. And the other thing that's cool is it's going to literally sit down here, and you'll see it's right now pending. And that will go in the order that it's sent. So Jennifer will get it first to sign, and then I will get it. But anytime you do it as the advisor, you get an email pretty quick that the envelope was sent, right? So this is the envelope here saying, hey, we sent this message out. Now, as soon as she checks it and does it, then it'll come to me. And then once we have that, we'll get a a PDF of it that we can then save in the system. And again, that's things that the service team would do. But I just want to do this quick video to show you guys how to use that e-signature process. It could be anything that you're needing to do in terms of the e-signature. And have a great day. Any questions, let me know.